Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tuta Aki, and today we are going to talk about electrical impulse activity. It travels through the cardiac conduction system. It is measured and recorded by electrocardiography. Let's talk about electrocardiogram. It's labeled PQRS and T, and we have U somewhere. It's labeled PQRSTU. P wave, which is this one, represent atrial depolarization, which starts from here to here. PR interval represent time from the beginning of atrial depolarization to the beginning of ventricular depolarization. QRS complex represent ventricular depolarization, which is QRS. And then T wave represent ventricular repolarization, which is right here. Sometimes people confuse between depolarization and ventricular repolarization. Remember, D comes first before R, and T is at the end, which is the last repolarization. Now let's talk about normal sinus rhythm. Normal sinus rhythm is where the heart is healthy. There is no any heart conditions. Rhythm originates from SA node. Atrial and ventricular rhythm are regular. Rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. P wave precedes each QRS complex. PR interval is 0.12 to 0.20 seconds. QRS complex 0.04 to 0.1 seconds. P waves are similar. Normal PR intervals and QRS, like this image right here. This is an example. In this image, heart rate is 83 beats per minute, and then heart rate is regular. Since you see these are equal, it's not irregular, so they are equal, which is regular. One P wave before each QRS complex. You see, it's one P wave here, one P wave here, one P wave there, one P wave there, one P wave there. One P wave, P wave are consistent. You see the P waves are the same. PR intervals is 0.18 seconds, and up here we say normal PR intervals is 0.12 to 0.20, which is 0.18 is in the middle. QRS complex is 0.06 seconds, and up here normal QRS complex is 0.04 to 0.1 seconds. So 0.06 is in the middle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends.